I'm Dr. Tyler Williams at Pinecrest Dental, and today I'm answering one of the most common questions that's asked online, which is how to find dental insurance where there's no waiting period. And if you're looking for insurance without a waiting period, that's probably because you may be interested in getting dental implants, or you may have a lot of work to do. You may need crowns or root canals, maybe you have gum disease. Or maybe you've just had a lot of work this year and you're maxed out and you're looking for something different. So the first thing to understand is that there are two types of plans. There are individual plans and there are group plans. And group plans are typically given by your employer or your spouse's employer or a group that you're part of. And individual plans are plans that you go and shop for on your own. Typically, individual plans will be much more likely to have waiting periods or restrictions or things they don't cover. So if you're part of a group or employer, the way the insurance company makes their money is they bank on the fact that about 2/3 of the people you work with will not use their insurance this year. But all of you are paying a monthly premium. That's why usually your benefits, your coverage, the things that they do for you, maximums, deductibles usually work a little bit more in your advantage, because as a group you're putting hundreds and hundreds of dollars in and most people aren't using on a monthly basis. Now when you're an individual, what happens is most people going to get an individual plan, the insurance company, they know that you're getting insurance because you probably have work to do and you want to use it. And that's why they'll either have a really high monthly premium if you want to get some work done and have more benefits, or they'll have a low monthly premium, but you may have to wait a year, 2 years, 3 years. We've seen some up to 5 years before you can get a crown or a root canal or an implant or those kind of things. The other thing to keep in mind, both with an individual or a group plan, is that there's usually limited coverage on implants. Even if they tell you, hey, we cover 50% or 80% of an implant, they'll only cover that up to the plan's maximum. So most plans maximums are around $1,000 or $1,500, which means that 80% coverage on your insurance that they tell you, will cover up to half or 80% of that implant means to your $1,500 or $1,000 allowance. So for example, if you needed $5,000 worth of implants and your maximum was $1,000, they would cover 50 or 80% up to $1,000. Once you hit the $1,000, your coverage is zero until the next plan year starts. So truthfully, dental insurance is really not insurance at all. And while we are a very insurance-friendly office, we recognize that fire insurance and car insurance, those are insurances when something catastrophic happens. Medical insurance usually covers if you needed a major surgery or once you meet your deductible, that kicks in. With dental insurance, it's very different. It works the opposite way. When you hit that maximum amount, there's zero coverage. And a lot of people scratch their heads and wonder, why do they call this insurance? And that is a great question, all right? And the biggest part of it is because as medical costs go up, because dental is a separate coverage, generally the dental gets smaller and smaller each year. Now the good news is, we've created something called the Pinecrest Smile Club. It's a unique membership program with 4 or 5 different levels for you to choose from. And most of our patients who look for an individual type insurance plan where they're looking for no waiting period, they opt for the Pinecrest Smile Club. And we actually have quite a few patients who are part of a group plan that they have major work they want to get done, or smile makeover, implants, veneers, those kind of things. And they'll often cancel their insurance or opt out of their insurance and sign up with the Pinecrest Smile Club. There are a few reasons why. Dental insurance does not cover sedation. It does not cover laughing gas. It does not cover things to make your experience more comfortable, which is unfortunate. It doesn't cover cosmetic things like veneers or teeth whitening. Many plans do not cover implants or as I mentioned earlier, most cover very little if you need significant amount. If you need, a single implant on one tooth, you might do okay. But if your treatment is over, $1,500 or $2,000, the total cost. I'm not talking your out-of-pocket cost. I'm talking the total cost of the treatment. If it's $2,000 more, you're going to burn up your benefit really fast. And then even your things like a preventative checkup or an x-ray may have no coverage until the next plan year. So with the Pinecrest Smile Club, there's no limit on office visits. That's another way insurances get you, is they usually limit you to 2 preventative visits, 2 office visits, 2 exams per year. There's no limitations with the Pinecrest Smile Club. There's no limitations on sedation or comfort care laughing gas. There's no restrictions on veneers or teeth whitening, which are not covered by dental insurance. You get some excellent savings with the Pinecrest Smile Club. There's also no middleman. So you get to choose, and you are in control of your treatment, because with insurance, a lot of times they'll say, well, we'll cover a root canal but not a crown, or we'll cover a bridge but not an implant, or we'll cover removing your tooth but not saving it. And this way, you have full control over the options, because the Pinecrest Smile Club cuts out the middleman. It's designed with you in mind, and our patients love it. We have patients renew year after year after year. That is our niche. We are the go-to practice for membership plans. In fact, we actually teach other practices how to set up membership plans, because we've been doing it for so long. We've had a lot of success, and our patients absolutely love it. So if you're interested in more information on the Pinecrest Smile Club, or if you have insurance and you'd like more information on what it covers and what it doesn't cover, you can reach us by calling or texting or clicking. Our information is below this video. We'd love to hear from you. Be happy to help out. We do have a few consultations still open this month, and the consultation is just $29. And that consultation generally is covered if you enroll in the Pinecrest Smile Club, or may be covered by your insurance if you have insurance, and we're happy to go through those options with you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.